In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Journal entries are a powerful way to record adjustments, transfers, and corrections in your books when there isn't a standard form, like an expense or invoice, that fits what you need. Because they affect your financial statements directly, take your time with each entry and, if you're unsure, consider checking with your accountant. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account so you're working in the correct company file. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Accounting. This is your home base for the chart of accounts and the tools you'll use to organize and post transactions. Next, click Chart of Accounts. This list contains all the accounts you can use in your journal entries: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. From here, click the New button at the top right. This action sets you up to work with the accounts you need for your entry. Choose the appropriate account type for the transaction you're recording, such as expense, income, or other current liability. Picking the right type ensures the entry lands in the right place on your reports. Now, enter the journal entry details. Start with the date. Use the date that reflects when the transaction actually occurred, which helps keep your reporting accurate for the correct period. Then, in the journal lines, choose the accounts you want to affect and enter the debit and credit amounts. Debits and credits must balance, so the total difference is 0. A common approach is to think about what you're increasing or decreasing. Expenses and assets generally increase with debits, while income and liabilities generally increase with credits. If you're adjusting items like accounts receivable or accounts payable, be sure to use the correct customer or vendor on the line so your subledgers stay aligned. Add a memo to describe the transaction. A clear memo, like accrued utilities for month end or reclassify software expense, will save you time later and help anyone reviewing your books understand why the entry was made. When everything looks right, click Save and Close to finish this entry. If you have more to add, click Save and New to keep going without leaving the screen. After saving, it's a good practice to glance at your reports later to confirm the entry had the intended effect. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.